Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to write a program that asking the user to give two integer numbers, and then the program will compute the difference of the two integer using Java programming language. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for your support. So right now I'm using Eclipse as my integrated development environment in writing my Java programs. So it is free to download. Just visit the website of Eclipse at www.eclipse.org. So here we have here a series of comments, and then in line number 10, we have here import java.util.scanner. This library file, we are including this library file for input-output in our program. Next, we have here public class difference. The name of our class is difference, and then we have here public static void main, or the starting point of any program in Java. And then we have here scanner in, where we are using this library file java.util.scanner equals new scanner in. And then we have here new line system out that print line, and then we have here the title \tip or horizontal tab difference of two integers in Java. Two new line here, and then we have here in this portion of our code we are asking the user to give first and second value, which will be stored in variable first int, and then we have here second int. So this is the force for the input, and then we have here new line, and then we want to display the difference of two integers is the difference between two integers is %d. So we just subtract first int minus second int, new line, and then end of the program that tells that the user that the program is already ended, and then new line we have to write curly bracket to close the class. So let us run the program. So click run. So now our program is running. Difference of two integers in Java. Give first value, let's say 5. Second value we have 3. And then the difference of two integers is 2. End of the program. Let us run it again for second time around. We have example 100, and then the second value, let's say for example we have 41. So the difference of two integers is 59. End of the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for your support. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.